Welcome everyone. I am delighted to share our latest October promotions from doTERRA Europe to help make this month truly memorable. First, we have our limited time offer autumn exclusive kit, featuring brand new products designed to align you with nature as we move through the seasons. The kit includes the unique Becoming blend created for this year's US Global Convention, along with Vetiver Touch and Myrrh Touch. You also get to experience a brand new foaming hand wash concentrate infused with doTERRA citrus bloom, paired with a beautiful and stylish glass hand wash dispenser. Plus, all of these products have never been released in Europe, so you could be the first to enjoy them. And here's something for all of you festive fanatics out there. Between returning favourites such as Holiday Joy and the Sharma, to brand new Europe-exclusive products, find that perfect and thoughtful gift for everyone on your list. You'll no doubt find something for yourself too. And if you're looking to stay grounded and focused, we have 2 touch oils at the ready. doTERRA Steady is available with 10% off in October. Ideal for both kids and grown-ups, let Steady bring calm to autumn days and harmonise your mood. The second touch oil is Thinker, our product of the month. You get this roll-on for free with any first single 125 PV loyalty order placed on or before the 15th of this month. Use Thinker to focus your mindset and promote positive learning. And that's it for now. I am so thrilled to share these promotions with you all, and I hope you embrace the beauty of autumn together with doTERRA's October offers.